Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy Facebook shops for dropshipping, full guide step by step clearly. To deploy Facebook shops for dropshipping, start by ensuring you have a Facebook business account. Visit the Facebook Business Suite and log in to your account. Navigate to the Commerce Manager section. Select Shop from the options available. Click on Get Started to begin the setup process. Choose your business type and click Next. Select a checkout method suitable for your business model. You can choose between checking out on Facebook, completing the purchase on your website, or messaging to complete the sale. Provide essential business information including your address and tax details. Connect your payment methods by navigating to the Payment section. Choose the method that aligns with your dropshipping operations. Next, upload your logo and cover photo to enhance your brand visibility. Add your business details in the profile settings. Now, it's time to set up your product catalog. Go to the Commerce Manager and click on Data Sources followed by Product Catalog. Select Create Product Catalog. If you opt for a data feed, upload your product list in CSV or XML format. Fill in all necessary product details including name, description, price, and images. Once your products are uploaded, ensure all listings meet Facebook's guidelines. Next, organize your products into collections for easier browsing. Navigate to the Collections section and click Create Collection. Add relevant products to each collection for a well-structured shop. Afterward, review your shop setup for any missing details or errors. When everything looks good, click on Publish to go live. Monitor your shop's performance using the analytics tools in the Commerce Manager. Make adjustments to your inventory and listings as needed based on customer feedback and performance metrics. Promote your Facebook shop using targeted ads and organic posts to drive traffic. Engage with customers regularly through updates and customer inquiries. Lastly, stay informed about Facebook's updates and features to optimize your shop continuously. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.